We're here for another video. So we bought a lot more different snacks today that we're going to be trying out. I already opened them in advance.
Because the last video, it took a lot.
Huh?
No, because you remember the last video, the first video that we did? It was like a long time.
Oh, yes. Sorry about the long wait between videos. But we're back today, and we're gonna be we opened up all the new snacks, and
what are we gonna do first?
We're gonna test them out.
Yeah, we'll try.
I think the first one we're gonna do today. This is called.
No.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
This one's called Crispy Ramen Snack by Baby Star.
Ooh.
It's called Artificial Chicken Flavor.
This sounds good.
I would like this. I would like this. Chicken.
Chicken.
We got all this at our we actually went to a very big mall, and they had a ginormous convenience store with just stuff that I've never seen before. Today, no, convenience.
Oh, that's a comedian.
Not comedian.
Comedian.
But today we're more prepared. We brought water just in case. But I think most of the stuff looks pretty good, so we'll shall see.
Let's try this.
So grab your little piece. First, what do you think about it?
Smells good. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells like actual chicken. And it's supposed to be because it says artificial chicken flavor. So.
I'm grabbing a lot.
You're really eating it? Hold on. Wait for us.
Sorry.
Well, this one's already starting, but we're going to give this one a try. It looks like a very golden color.
Uh-huh.
It tastes very good.
2, 1.
So good. I give it a 9 out of 10.
9?
9.
What do you give it?
A 10.
10 out of 10? I give this 7 out of 10. Pretty good. It just tastes like a really overly cooked piece of ramen.
Oh,
Yeah, put it over there.
I'll put it over here. I got something similar, but this one is garlic flavor.
Garlic. I like garlic, so
very
I might
garlicky.
not like this.
Want to smell it?
Smell.
Ooh, it's really garlicky. Okay.
This one's a little bit lighter in color, it looks like.
Yes. A little less golden.
Wait for us, Vanessa.
Okay.
Little less golden,
No.
but it still smells pretty good. So once again, this is the Baby Star Crispy Rice Snack. Oh no, Crispy Ramen Snack.
Okay, ready? 3,
3,
2, 1.
Go.
Eating it.
Pretty good. I think I like this one more than the chicken.
I like the chicken better.
I like the chicken better.
I think I like this one better. This is gonna be my little snack. Pretty good. What do you rate this one, Liam?
I rate it a 7.
Let's go over here more.
I rate it a 7.
Probably a 4.
A 4?
I really like those.
I give this one about a 9. Very good. Garlicky.
Yeah,
Love garlic.
Garlicky. I love garlic too.
Next one we're gonna try. It's called Kalbi. Back here it says grill a corn.
Go corn.
Up here
Oh, it likes
I
spicy.
can't understand what it says. But it looks like it might be a little bit
Mom,
spicy.
look on the back. Oh, I thought that was a leg.
No, it's a piece of corn.
Leg.
I mean I can't understand what it says, but back here it says grill a corn.
Mom.
It looks like
Mom.
Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Mom.
Yeah, it looks like.
Wait,
like,
is that
Chinese? Hot
Chinese?
Cheetos. Yes.
I'm not sure what
Like
language this
Japanese
is.
or Chinese or Korean.
True.
Or
There's many different languages.
Right?
This one looks like a very orange Cheeto.
With a little seasoning on it.
It smells pretty good.
Yeah, it smells good.
it would probably taste hot.
We'll see.
Right?
Ready?
I see peppers.
Peppers?
Huh?
Yeah, I do. Let's try this. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes very good.
Oh, I give this a 10. Easily 10.
It's a little bit of a kick, a little
Yeah.
spicy.
But I give it a 10. I give this a
I
10.
give it a 9. If it wasn't spicy, I would give it a 10. If it wasn't spicy. I give it a
What do you
9,
rate it?
guys.
I rate it a 10.
I rate it like a 7.
Okay.
Honestly, and nothing that we've had so far has been bad.
Yeah, it actually been pretty good. Pretty
Yeah.
Can you
good.
try this one?
This one is the, it's called Wonton Senbei.
No, it's called senbei, yes.
Senbei.
Senbai or senbei.
Senbai.
Senbai or senbei.
These are rice crackers. So I took one out of the package.
took it out of the package.
Oh wow. That doesn't look like appetizing. Don't like the
It
syrup.
has like a little
Poop into it.
fish. No, hold on. It smells kind of. It smells kind of fishy.
Fishy.
Let's give it a try. Even on this one, I already did.
2.
2, 1.
Oh, very good.
I rate this 8 out of 10.
It's not bad.
I ate it all, guys. In front of the truck again. Listen.
It's not bad.
I rate this a 0.
It's like a sweet, I don't know,
What?
piece of cookie. Once again, this is the Wan Wan Senbei, and I give this one about, I would say an 8.
I give it 8 too.
8?
Hunter said
You?
0.
0?
Yeah, I don't really like this.
All right, I'm gonna put that one over here
Yeah,
to
put
the
it here.
side. Now we're gonna try.
Let's put this here too.
This is called GGE Wheat Crackers Hot Chili Flavor. There's a
Artificially.
little girl right there holding a pepper.
A big
Mom,
one. That's like the
Mom,
size
big
of her.
pepper.
Mom, there's a version that she wasn't holding a pepper.
Was there at the store?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that one. Give one a piece. It smells pretty good.
Wait, what flavor is it?
It just says hot chili flavor.
Ready?
Hold on, guys. Let me grab mine.
Hunter, don't try it.
Don't try it yet.
Hunter, come on.
It looks like a ball of ramen.
Hunter, don't.
Stop.
I'm
Stop.
a little excited over here.
Me too.
These look like little ramen circles. 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
It's pretty good.
Spicy, but it's good.
It tastes literally like
I
the
hate-
other.
It does this much a little. Ah!
I give it a 6.
I'll give it a 7. I don't know. It's not bad. What do you rate it?
I don't even know.
Jinx, you owe me a 6.
I don't even know about this one. I don't even know.
How about a 3?
3,
No.
5.
I don't know.
Just hear
4?
this?
It has to be upper than. It's probably 15.
50?
Out of 10, over 10? Do you like it that much?
Yeah. It could have been 100 if it didn't have spicy.
No, wow, you really like it that much.
Now we're gonna try the Calbee onion rings.
Oh, gimme! Wait, Calbee? Are
Calbee.
you serious? It's one of these little buttholes.
Oh, look at the bottom of it.
It looks kind of like
Ew.
an onion ring.
Don't eat it.
Like no, I'm sorry, a funyun.
Onion.
A funyun.
It is supposed to be onions.
So
I already bit
you
into
have to
it.
wait for us, Hunter.
I didn't even taste it.
Yes, you did. Man, you've been licking that onion ring.
3.
Now I was gonna try it. 3, 2, 1.
I don't like this at all.
It tastes.
Guys, let me just show you one. This is what it looks
I don't know. I
This
think I
is-
like funyuns better.
This
These
is
are.
the back, and this is
I like onions better than that.
I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan.
I-
Compared to a
What do you rate
funyun,
it?
compared to a funyun, I give that a 2.
2 more.
I give it a 3.
A 3?
Hunter?
I give that 0. I don't really like those.
I prefer with the funyuns.
Yeah, Funyuns are better.
Okay, now we're trying.
Now we're gonna try. It's called Botan rice candy.
Yeah. Wait, is this?
There's a cute little cat in the back.
Is this?
This is dessert now.
Okay.
No, we have one
guys, we're done with food. Now we're doing desserts. I don't even know what this is. Ooh, that was a.
Oh, it's
give me one,
interesting.
give
Show
me
the
one.
people.
So, you're supposed
This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a jelly rancher, right?
Kinda.
Kind of.
So you open it up. They come individually wrapped.
And you have to, I think you have to keep this on, I guess.
Do you eat the paper?
I don't know. Wait, switch it up. How do you eat Botan candy?
Yup, you have to eat the paper.
Do you?
No, you have to let it dissolve in your mouth, I think.
Oh, it does dissolve. It's like in like little wrapper and it dissolves.
You tried it?
That's weird.
You want to try
Ready?
it?
What?
3, 2, 1.
Wait, it's squishy.
This is good.
I love this. Have one more,
Mm-mm.
please.
Wait. Right up. Oh, it is. Each candy has an edible inner wrapper that melts in your mouth. So
I
you
told
do eat
ya.
that. That's cool. Good job, bud. Not my favorites.
No, I could have ate that.
No, it wasn't a spit. It wasn't a spit. But they like them, so I guess.
I rate it
Can
a
I try
9.
one?
Yeah,
yes,
they're
you
good.
There's a wrapper that dissolves in your mouth.
Yeah, these are really good.
can.
These are my favorite.
This is my husband.
Hi.
He heard us talking.
What's your last
I
name?
had these before. That's how
So
I know. That's how I know.
yeah, we put these on here. All right.
I rated a 9.
What do you rate it?
A 10. Actually, it's an 80. I love these.
I give it a 2.
What? You guys always
Last
rate
but
it
not
a 10?
least, we're gonna try these. Are called
Mushrooms.
Chocorooms.
Oh, these look good, baby.
No, gimme.
Hold on, honey.
No, wait,
It's 'cause they're
Imagine
melted.
you coat these on your feet like fungus.
Wait, this is chocolate?
Yeah.
Are you serious? I'm not eating
This
this.
was my childhood. Doesn't like chocolate.
No.
Dude, this looks good.
But they look
Mom,
good.
Have you ever tried it?
I'm not trying this.
Yes, what?
Alright,
These are called Meiji Chocorooms, sweet and crispy.
3.
3, 2,
Two,
1.
Oh, this is good. That's good.
Oh my
Oh, that's good. That one more. Let me try one more. Let me just like. Ready? 3 at a time. Ultimate eating snacky.
These taste like the panda chocolate with the cookies. These are very good. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed, but happy because all these tasted really good. There was no bad ones. I think for our next video, we actually have to go above and beyond and try to find some
Nasty ones.
nasty ones because these were pretty damn good.
Even the last video we made.
Mm-hmm.
Except seaweed.
Oh,
Oh, that
no
was
seaweed.
trash.
0 for seaweed.
0 for seaweed.
It was hard for me to swallow that, so I was like, all the way over there.
Yes. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us today, and I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see what more videos will come in store for you
And
guys.
comment down below.
Yes.
What's your favorite of these?
Yeah.
Yes.
You never tried it, but like, which one looks more?
Which one would you try?
Try.
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments below. Y'all have a great one. Thanks for joining us.